and a powered Trifo Max cordless robot vacuum that is smart, strong and protective. Say goodbye to dirt, dust, hair, crumbs and more with the 3000 PA of suction power, perfect for pet hair also. Max has a large main brush which makes for a quicker clean, and the 6-claw side brush reaches deep into corners. The 5200 mAh battery keeps Max going for up to 120 minutes, and it features a USB charger on board. When Max's charge is running low, it will automatically return home to the charging base. Connects to your Trifo Home robot. Controlling the robot through the app enables you to see an array of information and functionalities. View a map of how much has been cleaned, check how much time your robot has been cleaning, and how much battery is left. Track the robot's movements using a real-time map. You can also live view your home via the app when you are away from home. When manual control mode is switched on, you can maneuver the robot vacuum around to clean monitor designated areas in the house. The Trifo Max combines powerful suction and a sweeping brush to keep your hardwood, tile, or carpet floors clean, and doubles as a remote-controlled home security camera with two-way communication. Capable of cleaning for 2 hours between charges, the Trifo Max also has map building capabilities for efficient route finding. Thanks for watching. Stay Trif and stay connected with Cyrus Syndicate UK.